Hello, guys. Finally, I'm able to upload something that I want to share with you guys. That I've been doing. I have a huge project. It's a summertime, and there was a fence that went up, and my husband was the only one that did it all by himself. But I had to go and help him out, so I did not have time to upload any videos, but guys, I'm going to take you step by step in how we're going to transform this front yard into a succulent garden, a beautiful succulent garden. I've already started my project, and this is the beginning, so I want you guys to hang with me and just bear with me if I'm not uploading as fast as I can. But this is going to be an ongoing thing, so I hope you stick around and just keep coming back, every time you see a new video. Make sure that you ring that bell. Make sure that you subscribe because it's going to be an exciting one. It's already turning out to be awesome. So just stick around, and here we go. Who knew that you had to dig a hole to put posts in? You kind of take it for granted when you're not a builder that this is how it works. And then I had to move some of my plants out because it was in the way. But it was getting scraggly anyway, so I have to kind of redo this area. And so this fence was ripped off and repurposed for the other side to cover up the trash cans. So it's a little bit more aesthetic looking instead of being like just trash cans. And it was a good idea by my husband. I give him all the credit. Day number 2, guys. This is so far what my husband's got up on the fence with my help a little bit. And we've got our little fence already looking good. Kind of hit a little snag here because of the incline. But a little lesson, just a little lesson for us. But look already how nice it looks. And then the extra soil that we got, I'm having him put over here because this mound is going to be a little tiny succulent garden as well. Can't wait for you guys to see. And then over here with my little project, what I did is that to make sure that I don't have weeds, already there's a weed barrier underneath it, but to make sure that I don't have weeds popping up from in between the bricks, I put cement all around it in between the cracks and stuff like that, because I don't want to pull weeds ever again, especially in between these cracks. And now that they're set together like that, it's never going to shift, it's never going to move. And if there was water from the rain and such, I'm hoping, upon hope, that it will stay together like this. Nice. Look at the euphorbia. Guys, look at that. Can you see? I can't even see. It's too dark. Let me see, where is it? Right there. Yeah, it's too bright out here, so I can't really see. Look at her. She's making more flowers. I hear the flowers are really stinky. I never smelt it, but no water for them this time. It's summertime, so they're in dormancy. Most of them are. So what I do is, when on a really hot day, at the end of the day, I just spray them with water. My neighbor gave me a little chair, or Adirondack chair here, that I'm going to paint for my tiny granddaughters when they come visit. And yeah, the pet cemetery over there is still rocking and rolling. It really likes it's under the shade. They're just thriving. It's awesome. And oh, let me show you. I'm so proud of this calamansi tree. Look at the calamansi coming out there. So many fruit coming out. They're like kind of the cross between a lime and a lemon, but they're tiny. They're like this big, and they're good for making juice or putting in Filipino food is what we use it for. But look at all the flowers. Yeah, I figured they really like the water, so watering every day. See, flowers. More flowers means more fruit. Yeah, I mean the garden is looking kind of sorry right now, especially the Ioniums, because it's really hot and they don't really, especially the dark ones right there, they don't really like this severe heat and being under the sun. But during the winter time, they're kind of thriving. I mean, they're just open and then loving it and stuff. So this is going to be the first year that they were put in there in the summer. And once they get used to it and once they're hardened, they'll be a little bit better in handling the sun. Just like over here, they still protecting themselves, like the ghost plant right here. They're still trying to protect themselves, but they're used to this now because they've been here for at least 6 years. Yeah. So other than the weeds that's everywhere right now that I need to pull, they're really doing excellent, especially the afterglow right here. Is that the afterglow? Yeah. But look at how my Echeveria blue, it's really protecting itself, especially the big ones, because they're the ones at the forefront. So they're the bigger protectors, you know, and it happens every year. So guys, don't get discouraged just because your blue Echeverias look like this. You know, it's like it's got like the burning and stuff, because look underneath here they're fine, because these are the ones that are more exposed to the sun. Look at the burnt. But you know what, once fall comes around, these guys are gonna be bigger, pushing out more babies. And look at my confusion. I call it my sedum confusion. These guys are so prolific, and those of you who ordered some from me, I hope that you guys are getting lots of babies that really prolifically propagating these guys. And these guys also, I have one of my buyers, she just left it in the planter, and it became like a trailing like it trailed down like a string of pearls like that. And this one was just going to town. Lots of flowers. It's kind of dried up now. So the plan is to get all those hedges moved over to here once the fence is up, and then we're gonna put like a sitting area there so we can hang out, play ukulele, listen to music, read a book, whatever. Okay, I think my husband needs me to help him now. See you guys. One panel up. 11 more to go. How's it going?
A little low. I'm about a half inch below the string.
Fix it. And we have fence. 2 sides so far. We need one more side. then if you come here, I'll show you. Ta-da! Tapestry. I know it's not done yet. Should be going all the way here, all the way everywhere. So this whole yard is going to be a succulent garden. I need height. I need height. I need wall art. Yeah. Yep. Wheels are turning. Whoops. This is the last one for this side. Gotta move some stuff around. But sago palm is flourishing. We're gonna keep you updated. Day number 3.
Just coming to ask.
Okay, what?
See the piece right here?
Yeah?
You like it up like that? Staggered?
Yeah.
Or do you want it down a little?
No, that's perfect. I like it. Yeah.
I'm not glad that they stay on the bottom.
All the way done. Yes. Except for the door. But that'll come easily. So, this area looks so good. See, I cut all the blooms out of there. They were getting like really dry and scraggly anyway, so. And the euphorbia is about to flower again, to bloom. And this is what happened with all of the boxwood pulled out, because this is where I'm going to put my little sitting area, little couch type thing. And it's another project, so I'm going to take you guys along with me on that project. And look at all the boxwood. It looks so good out there. Oh my gosh, it makes it look so good. Yes. Alright, taking a picture. We took 2 more boxwoods out of here and moved it there. Those 2. And then the 5 from the front is right there. It looks really good thanks to this guy over here. What do you have to say?
I need ice cream.
Okay, go get ice cream. Oh, he was so tired. But thank you so much for doing this, honey. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and come back again next time to see what's going on. Bye, XOXO.
A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun.
Every day may not be good, but there's something good in every day. XOXO.